Hi, Georgia. What we're going to do now is we are going to goal set. Do you remember when you took the math assessment? How do you think you did on that assessment?
Good.
Okay, I think you did well. That's great. So what I'm going to show you now are your scores. Okay. Your RIT score, or your score, was a 184. What we expected you to score on the first test was 160.3. So were you below or above that number?
Above.
You were above. You were way above that number. So what we're going to talk about today in your goal setting is enrichment, because you've already achieved the scores we want to see all year. Okay? So we're going to talk about enrichment today. So if you look here, you scored a 184. Other kids in the district scored around 158. So your score is way up there. You should be proud of yourself. Okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to look at things that you did well, places where you grew. Okay? You can determine the main idea while reading. You use the context or the story or the sentence you're reading to determine the meaning of words that you don't know. Okay? That's really good. And you can see when there's errors while you're proofreading. That's great. And if you look over here in reading, your areas of strength are reading literature and informational text, okay, and understanding those texts, and also your vocabulary use and its functions, and that shows here in where you glow. Okay, and your grows. I want you to work either on identifying metaphors or R-controlled vowels. And these are two skills that we haven't taught you yet in first grade that I think you would benefit from. So what would you like to work on? Identifying metaphor or R-controlled vowels? R-controlled vowels? R-controlled vowels, that's called bossy R. Can you say that? Bossy R.
Bossy R.
Okay? And there's combinations, and I think you're going to know what they are as soon as I write them. We have AR, OR, IR. These all make different sounds, and it's controlled by the vowel that is in front of it. Okay? And you'll need to know these patterns to read words and to spell words. Okay? So that's what you want to work on? So how long do you think it's going to take you to achieve knowing what an R-controlled vowel is and using it in your spelling and your reading? Do you think it's going to take you 1 week or 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
2 weeks? We're going to sign this, and this is saying that we've made a commitment together to work on this skill that you want to work on. And you're going to sign it, I'm going to sign it, and your parents are going to sign it. Okay? Does that sound good? Okay. I'm going to sign it here. And you're going to sign it here. Nice. And you'll get to pick a sticker for committing to your goal. You want to put it somewhere on your folder? Very nice. And you also get Smarties because you're a Smartie. There you go. Are you excited to work on your new goal? Can you tell me what your new goal is?
Bossy R.
Bossy R. Very good. Thank you, Georgia.